Hello, everybody. So I wanted to go over this 13.1 assignment with you because this is going to be extremely beneficial for you when you take your Unit 5 quiz next week. So I want you to open up your 13.1 assignment and make necessary changes if you had any of these in the table incorrect, because again, this is going to be a big tool for you when you take your Unit 5 quiz. So what I need you to notice here, computers, okay? I'm going to go over this with you. Like I said, computers can read three types of code: machine language, assembly code, and compiled code. They cannot, I repeat, cannot read source code. There's no X there. There should be no X there, okay? Programmers, so people, computer programmers, they can read two types of code: source code and assembly code. They cannot read machine code. They cannot read compiled code. So there should not be X's in these boxes. Okay, with a high-level program, okay, you're going to use source code and compiled code. And see, I added this note here for you. So with high-level programming, that's going to use familiar, math symbols like plus and minus to show the computer exactly what to do. Okay, low-level programming, that's going to be machine language and assembly code. Okay, with low-level programming, that uses letters and words instead of any sort of numbers or math symbols. I also added some notes down here that again are going to be beneficial for your Unit 5 quiz. Okay, a computer's microprocessor can only read one computer language. One. Repeat, one. Okay, these two bullet points, they are from your 13.2 reading, but I wanted to reiterate them with you again for your Unit 5 quiz. So procedure-oriented programming, that tells the computer how a task is done by breaking it into smaller tasks. So if you have bullet points, then you have those sub-bullet points, something similar to that. Okay, object-oriented programming, that is focused on the objects the programmer wants to manipulate versus using the actual logic to control them. Okay, so it's working on the objects that it wants to manipulate, what it wants to do, versus the logic used to actually control that programming. Okay, so again, I hope you're watching this because this is going to be very beneficial for your Unit 5 quiz. Okay, thanks.